Hi, welcome back to our channel. For today's video is how to sign out of Google on Android. You can sign out of your Google account from Chrome. Now, let's go to Chrome app. Press your profile. Then, as you can see here, I have two accounts signed in. Now, I will choose which account I will sign out. So as you can see, it's the blue one. Now, press sign out. So if we go back to the profile, you can see that it's already signed out. So that's it. I hope that this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!